Thanks for watching Travel with John Spate. Here's my tour of an interior cabin aboard the Carnival Elation. As I first entered the cabin, I felt that this room had a very warm and cozy feel. On both sides of the bed, you will find these lamps that are very convenient and provide adequate lighting. At the base of the lamps, there are two USB ports for charging. And underneath the nightstand, a very workable storage space. Directly across from the bed, you have a 42-inch LCD TV. This desk is outlined by a bright LED light strip and has two American outlets, one European outlet, and two USB ports. And if you would like to charge your devices while laying in bed at night, be sure to bring a Carnival approved extension cord. The couch in your cabin can be converted to a pull-out bed if necessary. The closets on this ship provide a great amount of space for storing all of your items. On the sides of the closet, you will find multiple storage areas, along with an electronic safe. The bathrooms in this cabin are pretty standard, but you will find a magnifying mirror and a power outlet located at the top of the vanity. Carnival provides shampoo and shower gel in all of their cabins. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more content from the Carnival Elation, including a full ship tour and a review of the Inspiration main dining room. Thanks for watching.